piecewise defined function. We're given this piecewise defined function, and the question is that they want us to graph it. So to graph this function, we first need to make it into an equation and then plug it in to find the 2 points to graph it. So f of x equals to 8 is equivalent to y equals to 8. F of x equals to 2x squared is equivalent to y equals to 2x squared. F of x equals to negative x plus 8 is equivalent to y equals to negative x plus 8. Y equals to 8, we don't need to find the 2 points. As for this one, we need to plug in points in order to graph it. So we know that this is quadratic, so the graph for a quadratic is usually comes in a U shape. So for the points right here, I could plug in the x between negative 2 and 2. So let's say I try negative 2. Put it into the x squared and solve for y. I will get 8. For the 2, I will get 8. For the 0, I will get 0 for this vertex. As for this one, I have to choose an x value that is 3 and above. So if I plug in 3, negative 3 plus 8, it will be 5. Plug in 4, it will be 4. So now that we have all the points for each function, it will be easier to graph. To graph this quadratic function right here, we know that the vertex starts at 0, 0. So we put right here, and the next point is negative 2 and 8. So go negative 2 to the left and up 8, and go 2 to the right and up 8, and then connect the points. Notice that this is a closed circle because the given set is less than or equal to right here. As for this equation, the y equals to 8. So you go to the y, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you draw the line. Since the given set is less than negative 2, so you erase all the graph right here. Only left with the graph that is less than negative 2. So it goes to the left. As for this graph, y equals to negative x plus 8 with the restriction of x is greater than 3. So graph the linear equation for this one. So 3, 5. So you go 1, 2, 3 to the right and up 5. And then go 4 to the right and up 4. And then connect the dots. Notice that this one is an open circle because the restriction says x is greater than 3.